How to convert Lazada coins to Lazada wallet. Wondering how to convert your Lazada coins to your Lazada wallet? In this tutorial I'll walk you through the simple steps to make the transfer, so let's get started. First, open the Lazada app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the account icon at the bottom right of the screen and this will take you to your account dashboard. Scroll down to find Lazada coins under the rewards section and tap on it to view your balance. If you have enough Lazada coins to convert, you'll see the option to transfer them to your Lazada wallet. If the option is not there, it means you need to collect more Lazada coins for you to convert all what you have on your balance. A pop-up window will appear, confirming the number of Lazada coins you want to convert. Check the amount and tap confirm to complete the conversion. And after the conversion, your Lazada coins will be transferred to your Lazada wallet as Lazada credits. So to check, go back to the account section and tap on Lazada wallet and you'll see the updated balance. And that's how you convert Lazada coins to your Lazada wallet. Thanks for watching.